Hello, you can go with Caitlin here. We're at a museum. It's a science museum. Let me show you around. This is an alligator, dinosaur, black bear, and brown bear. This is a T-Rex. This is a real beehive. Wow. Here you can smell the honey, right? Those are the bees making the sound? Apollo 6, a capsule. What in the world? Wow! This is so cool. Is this a real spacesuit? Whoa! Whoa! So the helmet, and then the actual suit, the gloves. Hi! There's so many of us.
Yeah, it's like a whole room. Like a
dance?
lot of years. Yeah,
Let's dance.
Come on.
Okay. What? This is a big meteorite from space. Hello, right now we're in IKEA. This is a furniture store. This thing is called an escalator. This is a table and a mirror with a light.
This is a chair. This is a rocking chair.
Do you like it?
Yes.
This is so cute. It has so many different plants and flowers and string lights. Wow, so pretty.
These are curtains. Bye. This is a lamp. It's also a lamp.
Oh my goodness, this is such a nice bathroom. So they have vines growing on the walls and then a toilet. And then the shower is really small. They have a sink with water. Ooh, I love this plant. So pretty. This is a couch. I'm so tired. This is a fridge. It has sandwiches actually. Refrigerator. This is a countertop. And what do we have here? Macaroni. Microwave. Stove. This is an oven. This is a laundry machine. Ooh. These are cabinets. You can put things like cups inside. This is a closet and these are called clothes hangers. So this is a sofa or a couch. A sleeper sofa is where you can actually sleep. It can turn into a bed.
Good night.
This is a speaker. So what comes out of a speaker is music and sound, but it's also a lamp. So it's a speaker lamp. Really, really cool. This is a patio. So a patio is an area outside. It usually has some chairs and tables.
This is an office chair.
So office chairs are chairs for when you're working by the computer. This is a bed. I'm so sleepy. All of this here, all of these are organizers. This is an organizer for the desk, and then there are also over there organizers for clothes. So pretty. Wow, gorgeous lights. So pretty. Look at this. Plants, plants, plants.